Welcome to Akili Mathematics classes, which happen to be one of the best classes on the YouTube channel. I am Sir Musa, a teacher in Accra Academy. My students always call me Sir Akiola, and my motto is that I love to solve complex and challenging questions, and I expect my students to follow my channel, and then they are able to follow this YouTube channel, and they will learn better concepts in mathematics. And today we have a very fantastic question on the board, and the question is: solve for the value of x if x to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x plus 16. Now, if you look at this problem, it's a concept in indices, what we call indicial equation. When you look at it, it looks scary, but as soon as we are tempted to solve it, there will be always a way to solve this problem. So let's zoom into the solution. All right. So when you have x to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x plus 16, it's not easy to break it down. So you have to always think beyond the box, and that is x to the power x equal to, in indices we know we can write this as 4 to the power x multiplied by 4 to the power 16. All right, still, how are we going to do to solve this problem? So we'll look at a way. We divide through by 4 to the power x, and so we have okay, clearly we know that this will cancel out this. Now we have x to the power x, 4 to the power x, giving us 4 to the power 16. Again, you realize that we have to find a way of find the value of x. But we should remember in indices, one of the properties is that if you have a over b to the power m, we write it as a to the power m divided by b to the power also m. So we are going to use that to write the left hand side of the equation. And so it means that we're going to get x to x over 4 all to the power x from this property, which is equal to 4 to the power 16. Now still, how are we going to do? Now we have to find a way and look at what number divided by also 4 will give us 4, and that is going to be 16. Hence write x over 4 to the power x equal to 16 divided by 4 to the power 16. Now nothing has changed here, because 4 to the power 16 is the same as 16 over 4 to the power 16, because when you divide 16 by 4, you're going to get 4. All right. Now we need to compare exponent and expressions in the bracket. In doing so, we have x to the power 16. Somebody might say, how? Okay, let's check whether this is also the same as 16. Now let's compare. Then we have x to the power 4 is equal to 16 to the power 4. And if this 4 is equal to 4, then obviously we know that x is equal to 16. Therefore, the value of x is 16. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, initially the question looked scary, but by the grace of God, we are able to solve it, and then we've got an answer to the 16. How do I know whether I'm right? Simple. You can check if it's true. You want to check facts, then you just substitute here. I get 16 to the power 16. Let's see whether this side will be the same as 16 to the power 16. That's beautiful. So you have, right? 4 to the power 16 plus 16. Okay? That's it. Maybe you can check if indeed you are right. So you have 16 to the power 16. Then you don't have problem. You can check whether this is indeed going to be true. So if you take your calculator and point this and that, you get it simple. How? 16 to the power 16 is the same as 4 to the power 1, 31, 2. You add this and this. Is that not it? And I can write it as 16 to the power 16 is equal to 4 squared to the power 16, because 2 times 16 is 32. Therefore, 16 to the power 16 equal to 4 squared is what? 16, and that to the power 2. And that shows that indeed the value of x is what? 16. Thank you very much. Follow my YouTube channel, and then when you subscribe, you are going to enjoy more of this question. Thank you.